Be a child, my dear student. This is Jyoti Malvi ma'am from Balkrishna School.
Now we will study about Mr. Om Prakash Valmiki, who was a famous Dalit writer and poet. He was born in 1950 and mostly known for his book Jhutan. Let's see a short incident that Om Prakash Valmiki has written on his book. He mentioned on that how in his school he was made to sit on the floor away from other students. Sometimes students used to beat him up for no reason. Next he mentioned one incident from when he was in class 4th. He was asked to sweep the playground by his headmaster. Now, this is very surprising because you must not have been one of your batchmate cleaning a playground. Mr. Valmiki was asked to do that because he was from lower caste. Now, while cleaning the playground, dust had gone inside of his mouth. His back started to ache because the playground was too big for him. He was sweeping while his batchmates were studying. His headmaster, batchmates, and teachers all saw this spectacle, but none of them said a word against of this due privilege. His self-respect was hurt. He was may sweep school playground and the school for the couple of more days, and this only stopped when his father saw him doing this one day. Take objection. Students, this story showcases how just because Om Prakash Valmiki born in a different family, he had to suffer all through this incident took place almost 60 years back, and thanks change for good now. Students, now we will see a story based on an incident that happened one of Indian large cities. This is story about Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Ansari were looking for a house. They had the money, so paying rent was no problem. Since they wanted a house, they went to the property dealer. The property dealer sold them a house. The Ansari liked house ever. When the landlady got to know their names, he made an excuse that can't give house them who eat meat, and that all the residents of building was non-vegetarian, which was not proved because property dealer and Ansaris could smell fish being cooked by their neighbors. Now the same excuse was repeated in second and third houses went. Seeing this, the dealer advised them to change their name and call them Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, but Ansari refused, and they finally got a house after a month-long search. Students, please note that the landlady did not want to give Ansaris the house because of the religion. Not giving your house on rent because they ate meat not wrong. It is their own choice. But discriminated against someone on the basis of religion was wrong. Now moving forward, dignity. Dignity means self-respect. When people are treated unequality, their dignity is violated. Both Ansaris and Om Prakash Valmiki were treated unequally on the basis of religion and caste. Every religion, caste, and gender deserve the same respect and dignity, and as anyone else. Now we will see equality in Indian democracy. Indian constitutions recognize every person as equal. How? As you know, every adult has only one vote. But is that it? Is that only way in which equality serves? No. Let's see some other ways by which in the Indian constitutions recognize every person as equal. Every person has to obey the same law, be it high rank officer or a labor. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of religion, caste, place of birth, and gender. Facial discrimination means discrimination of the basis of skin color. The past practice of untouchability has been obliged for prohibited in earlier times. Pupils includes to touch pupil of lower caste. This practice has been stopped now. And finally, every person has access to all public places such as playground, hotels, shopping malls, roads and hospitals. Now students, you must be thinking that the government of a democracy wants equality and implements it, but how? So, the two ways in which a government guarantees equalities in its constitutions are through law and through government program. Now students, there are many laws in Indian constitutions that protect to equality. One of them are popular Article 15. Now students, in our next video we will discuss about this. Till that time, be a child, enjoy learning.